Geneva has a reputation for being expensive, and when it comes to luxury hotels, that reputation is certainly deserved. This is a city of grand lakeside properties, Michelin-level dining, designer shopping and some of the most prestigious hotel names in Europe. But you do not necessarily need to spend 5-star palace prices to enjoy an upscale stay here. Look beyond Geneva's most famous luxury addresses and you can find sophisticated hotels with excellent locations, stylish rooms and strong facilities at considerably more approachable prices. And because Geneva is compact and extremely well connected by public transport, staying a little away from the most expensive stretch of the lakefront rarely means sacrificing convenience. For this countdown, we are looking for hotels that deliver genuine comfort, strong locations and an upscale experience while still representing reasonable value by Geneva standards. Prices here change significantly with business events, conferences and season, so the figures mentioned are approximate starting points in US dollars rather than guaranteed rates. Our countdown begins with Hotel Rotary Geneva, MGallery. Hotel Rotary sits in an extremely convenient position between Geneva's main railway station and Lake Geneva. That means you can walk toward the waterfront in one direction and reach the transport connections around Cornavin station in the other. The interiors give the hotel more personality than you might expect from a centrally located business hotel. Rooms combine contemporary comfort with decorative details, warm materials and a slightly residential atmosphere. Depending on dates, rooms can sometimes begin around $200 to $260 per night, although Geneva's rates can climb considerably during busy periods. That is hardly inexpensive, but affordable luxury in Geneva operates on a very different scale from many destinations. The hotel has a restaurant and bar, along with a fitness area and sauna for guests who want some wellness facilities. Its greatest advantage, however, is simply how easy it makes the city. The Rhône, Lake Geneva, shopping streets and parts of the Old Town are all within comfortable reach. You can also use nearby public transport when heading toward the United Nations district or attractions farther from the center. The main compromise is that Hotel Rotary does not provide the grand lake views or extensive spa facilities associated with Geneva's most expensive luxury properties. But if you want character, comfort and a highly practical central location, it offers a convincing alternative to paying considerably more for a prestigious waterfront address. Next is citizenM Geneva. This is a very different interpretation of affordable luxury. Rather than traditional European elegance, citizenM focuses on contemporary design, technology and clever use of space. The location is excellent, close to Geneva's Old Town and within easy walking distance of the lake and central shopping streets. That makes it particularly attractive for travelers who want to explore the historic center on foot. Rooms are compact, but they are designed efficiently around a large comfortable bed, modern technology and a clean contemporary aesthetic. The trade-off is obvious. If you want a huge room with separate seating areas and traditional luxury furnishings, this will not be the right hotel. But the public spaces help compensate, with stylish lounges designed to feel more like modern living rooms than conventional hotel lobbies. Depending on demand, rates can sometimes begin around $170 to $230 per night. For central Geneva, that can be a particularly attractive entry point into a polished, design-focused hotel. There is no resort-style pool or extensive spa, so the value here comes primarily from location, design and efficiency. Step outside and you are close to the Old Town, St. Pierre Cathedral, the Rhône and the waterfront. Restaurants, cafes and shopping are also immediately accessible, reducing the need to spend much time traveling across the city. citizenM works especially well for couples and solo travelers who prioritize location over room size. For shorter stays in particular, it can be one of the smartest ways to experience central Geneva without paying for luxury facilities you may barely use. Taking the third spot is Warwick Geneva. Warwick occupies one of the most practical locations in the city, directly opposite Geneva Cornavin railway station. That positioning is especially useful if you are arriving by train, heading to the airport or planning day trips beyond Geneva. Lake Geneva is only a short walk away, while the city center and major shopping areas are easily accessible. The hotel itself offers a more traditional upscale experience than citizenM. Rooms are comfortable and polished, with higher categories providing more space and, in selected cases, attractive city views. Depending on your travel dates, rates can sometimes begin around $190 to $250 per night. The hotel has dining facilities and access to nearby fitness options, but this is primarily about comfortable accommodation and exceptional transport convenience rather than resort-style amenities. That convenience can be particularly valuable in Geneva. The railway station provides fast connections to the airport, while trams and buses make it easy to reach the United Nations District, Old Town and other parts of the city. The surrounding station neighborhood is busy and more functional than romantic, which is the main compromise. Travelers dreaming of stepping directly onto a quiet historic lane or waking beside the lake may prefer our final two hotels. But for visitors who want an upscale base that makes Geneva exceptionally easy to navigate, Warwick delivers a strong combination of comfort and practicality. And now we reach the final two. These are where the countdown moves beyond simple convenience and into hotels that offer a stronger sense of place, character and occasion, while still avoiding the extraordinary prices commanded by Geneva's most famous lakeside palaces. Next is Hotel Bristol Geneva. Hotel Bristol brings us much closer to the classic Geneva luxury experience without immediately reaching the prices of the city's grandest palace hotels. Its location is one of its greatest strengths. The hotel sits just moments from Lake Geneva, close to the Rhône and within easy walking distance of the city center. That gives you convenient access to the waterfront, shopping streets and Old Town while keeping Geneva Cornavin station relatively close. The interiors have an elegant contemporary style with plenty of personality, particularly in the renovated rooms and suites. Rooms feel considerably more luxurious than the functional accommodation found in many similarly located city hotels. Depending on dates and room category, rates can sometimes begin around $250 to $320 per night. That is certainly not cheap, but Geneva is one of Europe's most expensive hotel markets, and the Bristol can represent strong relative value when compared with prestigious five-star properties nearby. Another major advantage is the wellness offering. The hotel has a spa with a sauna, hammam and fitness facilities, giving guests somewhere to relax after a day exploring the city. Dining is also a genuine strength, making the Bristol more of a complete upscale hotel experience rather than simply an attractive place to sleep. And the location means you rarely need to choose between sightseeing and convenience. Lake Geneva is almost on your doorstep, while the Old Town, shopping districts and public transport connections remain easily accessible. The main compromise is price. During conferences and other high-demand periods, rates can rise sharply and the value proposition becomes less convincing. But when you find the Bristol at the lower end of its range, you are getting an elegant hotel, wellness facilities and an exceptional central location for substantially less than some of Geneva's most famous luxury addresses. Our top choice is Hotel Rotary Geneva. Navy takes a completely different approach to Geneva luxury. Rather than chandeliers and traditional formality, this is a colorful, contemporary hotel with modern art, bold interiors and a much more relaxed personality. It is located close to Lake Geneva in the Pâquis district, with the waterfront only a short walk away. Geneva Cornavin station is also nearby, giving you excellent connections to the airport and the rest of the city. Rooms are modern and comfortable, with higher categories adding more space and upgraded features. Rates can sometimes begin around $180 to $240 per night, although busy dates can push them substantially higher. At the lower end of that range, Navy becomes particularly interesting because you are getting an upscale hotel within walking distance of the lake without paying traditional lakeside luxury prices. There is a fitness center, restaurant and bar, while the surrounding Pawkees neighborhood provides plenty of additional places to eat. The area is lively and multicultural rather than polished and exclusive, which may not appeal to travelers seeking Geneva's most refined atmosphere. But it also makes the location feel less formal and gives you easy access to both the waterfront and transport connections. For couples, younger travelers and visitors who prefer contemporary design over traditional luxury, Navy offers an appealing balance. And that combination of location, personality and comparatively approachable pricing makes Hotel Navy our top affordable luxury choice in Geneva. So our 5 choices take very different approaches to value. Hotel Rotary combines character with central convenience, citizenM prioritizes design and location, Warwick excels for transport, and Hotel Bristol delivers a more traditional luxury experience near the lake. Hotel Navy takes our top position for combining contemporary style, a convenient location near Lake Geneva and pricing that can make sense in one of Europe's most expensive cities. Geneva will never be a cheap hotel destination. But choose your dates carefully, compare rates and avoid assuming that the famous palace hotels are your only luxury options. There are still ways to enjoy a stylish, comfortable stay beside one of Europe's most beautiful lakes without paying Geneva's most extraordinary prices.